Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. So today I'm opening a brand new subscription. I am super excited. But before we get started, I just want to remind you that it is coming down to the final hours of my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. It is ending tomorrow. Isn't that crazy? It's going to be the last day of February tomorrow. So if you have not yet entered, that link will be down below in the description box. So today we're opening Bauble mail. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Super cute. And if you hear anything, I feel like I give this disclaimer like every video, but I have a box underneath me and my cat Archer is laying in there and he's kind of rustling around a little bit, so that's a cat. It's always a cat pretty much if there's some noise. Archer. So Bauble Mail is a new subscription, like I said, and this is a monthly earring subscription. It is $8.95 per month with free shipping in the US. If you purchase more months than one at a time, then it does go down a little bit in price. So there's several options for this. So you choose your preference. So after you sign up, you tell them what you like. You could say that if you like classic gold, classic silver, or you could pick trendy gold or trendy silver. And then there's also an option to pick surprise me, so they'll just pick it for you. So once you've made that selection, they curate a box just for you. All the jewelry pieces have a value between $15 and $24 and you pay less than $9. So it seems like a great deal. I have not peeked inside my bag yet, so I have no idea what I got, but I made sure I'm not wearing any earrings so I can try them on after I open it. So if you're interested in this box after watching this video, of course I will leave the link down in the description box. Let me get this open. Now there's cats roaming around my room. I'll get some scissors. Oh, so it looks like it comes with a little special gift. So this might look familiar. So this is a sucker. I actually received this also in my lip service bag, and a matter of fact, the same owner owns both of the subscriptions. So super cute. I haven't tried my last one yet, so now I have two suckers. That's nice they added a little special surprise. So inside the bag, this is what I see. It says hello beautiful, so that's super cute. So it's in this little tie string or drawstring bag, and then there's a jewelry box, so definitely comes secure with this bubble bag too. So again, there's the card on the back. There's a little message which is super cute. It says, "Welcome to Bauble Mail. I hope you enjoy your first pair of earrings. Love, Rebecca." That's so nice. That says, "Tuck this card someplace you'll see this month, and remember, true beauty comes from within." That's super sweet. I didn't notice that little message on the bottom at first. Love it. So then there's the black box. Let's see what we got. Oh, these are so cute. I really like these. All right, let me take them. Hopefully you guys can see those okay. So they're gold color, kind of like rose gold almost. These are super cute and they seem like good quality too. So, and then on the packaging it does say Bauble Mail, the name of this subscription box. So let me try these on. I'm glad, I was hoping they'd be like dangly earrings opposed to studs, even though I'd be fine with studs, but lately I'm just really into more like dangle type, like I said. I don't know if that's the right phrase. Let's see if I could do this without a mirror. Yep. Cute. Let me get the other one on. I'm really trying to remember like to wear jewelry every day. Now I've been pretty good. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I've been wearing some earrings in pretty much all my videos. Sometimes I just like went through this phase, I guess, where I just forgot to put on jewelry before I filmed or like ever. Why can't I get this off? So this is a good way to remember. So here are the earrings on. I really like them. What do you guys think? I'm totally happy with this. And they do, seriously, like I'm not just saying this, they seem like good quality. Because I know like sometimes I get like sensitive to certain metals that I can tell this doesn't seem like super cheap. But they're pretty lightweight, which is good. Because sometimes I don't like when I have heavier earrings because they just feel like it like, kind of weighs your ears down. I just don't want to like feel them, you know? So these feel fine. I think they're super cute. I think they're definitely worth $8.95. With the free shipping, that makes it like so much more worth it to me. And this is somewhere between $15 and $24 of value. So you definitely get your money's worth. So I'm happy with this. I'm gonna keep these on all day. I like them. I'll probably like snap a photo for Instagram or Snapchat or something right after this if you want to see them. But anyways, I will leave the link below like I said. So it is $8.95 a month with free shipping. It's available in the US only to my knowledge. So yeah, the link will be in the description box along with my 2,000 subscriber giveaway video, which the giveaway ends tomorrow. I cannot believe this month's almost over. And we're super close to 3,000 subscribers, you guys. I think we're only like 75 away at the time I'm filming this video. So there will be another giveaway coming super soon. Probably like right after this one ends, hopefully. We'll see how my numbers go, but it'll be coming soon either way. I'm pretty positive, so look out for that. But anyways, I hope you are all having an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.